Good morning children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class we have learned lesson 1 revision. I have revised the lesson lesson 1, okay, and I told you to write the question answer and all exercises in practice copy. I hope all of you done this in practice copy, okay. Then today we will discuss revise this lesson 3 question answers and all exercises, okay. So all of you take out your copy now. Lesson 3 today. First, answer the following questions. Look at the question answers. Take the first question. Who is I in the poem? In this poem, Puppy and I, who is I in the poem? Who is I in the poem? I in the poem is a boy. What is the answer? I in the poem is a boy. Then, what do horses eat? That means, what is the food of horses? What do horses eat? Horses eat hay, Hay, hay. Okay. Then, what color coats did the rabbits have? Rabbits have what color coats? The rabbits have what color coats? White color. No, the rabbits have white fur coats. What color coats? White fur coats. Fur coats means hair coats. Okay. Then number 4, why did the person prefer to go with Puppy and not with others? At last the person, that means the boy, went with the puppy but not went with the other people. That means the man, the woman, the horse, the rabbits. He did not went with them. Okay. But at last the person preferred to go with the puppy. Why? What is the reason? Why? The person preferred to go with the puppy because the puppy was going to play and the boy was also wanted to play. Okay. So you can write in this way. The person preferred to go with the puppy because he wanted to play. Because he wanted to play. That is why he went with the puppy. Okay, very simple question answer it is. Learn this and write this in practice copy at least 5 times. Okay. Then complete the following is given there now. That same page, complete the following. Learn. The man was going to get some dash. What do you have to write? Only one word you have to write. The man was going to get some bread, bread. Bread. Then next question. The horse was going to get some hay, hay. Then third, the woman was going to get some barley. The rabbits were going to get some oats. The puppy was going to play. Okay. So you learn these words and spellings. Okay. Then look, who said it to whom? Where are you going to this nice fine day? Number 1 question. Who is asking this question? This question is asking by the boy, or the boy is asking this question. Where is the puppy going on the fine day? The puppy going on the fine day to the hills. The puppy was going, or the puppy is going to the hills on the fine day. Then, where are you going to horse today? Where are you going to horse today? What did the poet ask the horse? The poet asked the horse where it was going. Where it was going. Okay. Sorry, where are you going? So where it was going or where it is going, no problem. Can write it anyway. Okay. Then where is the horse going? Where is the horse going? The horse is going to the village. Then third question, where are you going to, woman, so early? Where are you going to, woman, so early? The question is, who spoke to the woman as she went by? The boy spoke to the woman as she went by. Where is the woman going so early? The woman going to the village so early. Okay, very simple answer it is. So the next page, rhyming words I have already given. Practice also extra question I have given. I hope all of you practiced it well. Okay. Then describe the pictures in 2 words. Cute brown rabbit. 2 words you can write. Beautiful young woman, handsome young man. Then beautiful rainbow, beautiful colorful rainbow. then flying bluebird, then lovely red rose, anything you can write, okay. Then in the beginning of the chapter, one thing is given, no, page number 24. Look at the pictures and name the baby and its mother. That is also very important. That also you have to learn, okay. Look at the pictures and name the baby and its mother. Look, kangaroo. What is the name of the what we call the baby of kangaroo? Joy. Joey, joy. Then giraffe. Giraffe's baby is called calf. Calf, calf. Duck. Ducks babies are called duckling. Duckling, duckling. Deer. Deer's baby are called fawn. Fawn, fawn. Then frog. Frog's babies are called tadpole. Tadpole. Tadpole, tadpole. Okay. So understood all of you? Kangaroo joy. Then giraffe calf. Duck duckling. Deer fawn. Frog tadpole. Okay. So learn this also. Okay. So our chapter 2 revision is also over. Then your duty to learn for examination. Okay. Learn it well. Understand? Bye.